Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Beaumont Elementary School, home of the Bears in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And I just got done with an after-school program here at their elementary in the MPR, multi-purpose room, right behind these gates here. And the program was very inspirational, very heart-touching. A lot of students came up to me, said that it made their hearts glow, that they were almost on the point of tears. And I said, that's okay, tears are strength. That the sweat of our strength means we're starting to heal and feel again. So I'm always encouraged when I see them having the courage to step into those emotions, right? But the main focus was on bullying. We've heard that word time and again, but we really wanted to focus on the sub-theme being, look at the heart first, right? See someone the same way that you see your best friend, right? Dr. King said the time is always right to do what is right. And what is right is to show compassion to everybody around us, treat everybody like you treat your best friend. And that starts with seeing them for who they truly are, for their heart first. Our heart is as big as our fist. If we let love, peace, kindness, respect fully enter into here, we can turn this into this. Peace sign, right? And one finger is ourself, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, right? But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one heartbeat, one breath, 2 seconds, we can say something so kind that we empower someone, lift them as high as the clouds, right? That what we say or do can stay in their heart for the rest of their life. Or conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays in their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And we have this power, right? That even at a young age, we can make a huge difference in someone's life. And sometimes we're even already going through a lot of things in our heart, in our lives at a young age. But we know we can always get past that and have a choice to either choose to reflect love or hate, right? We witness a lot of that growing up, but as a mirror, we can choose to either, try to reflect that kindness or the violence. And hopefully we choose to reflect the former. And so the idea is that a lot of bullying happens. What I see the biggest reason why it does occur is that hurt people, right? That if something's going on in our hearts, the easy thing to do as a human being is to go push that pain on someone else, right? Make them feel what we're feeling. That's not the right thing to do though. The right thing to do is to forgive, to have that healing come into our heart, that love come into our heart, be able to turn this into this, right? Where healed people heal people. And I shared so many different stories from people I've met across this nation that have chosen to become healed people who heal people, chosen to turn their pain into greatness, and then go out into this world and be that light to someone else's heart, right? By seeing them for their heart first, but also for this too. All of us with the lines on our hand have letter M, right? I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. Sometimes we have more than one, but we have at least one in each hand. And this M stands for miracle, right? Like the front of my shirt. And upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? We have to really truly believe this. And once we do, go and help someone else believe that as well. Someone that has never been told that, needs a reminder, or, just needs them to be our champion until they can start to really truly believe in their value and know how special they are. And so the students really got that, right? The inspirational videos that I played as well, the positive music, and just these anecdotes that really tried to strike a heart chord, and I believe they did. And these students that came up gave me a hug after, said, Mr. Peace, you touched my heart. I said, that's great. That means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So again, just a beautiful afternoon, great outdoors too as well here in California. And just again, so honored to be able to share such a vital message with these students. And the reason it's so important, even further beyond all those points, is that a lot of students don't really believe this. They might think that they're a mistake, or that, because they were born different or had something happen to them that makes them different than most of the people around them, that they aren't worth as much as that person. And that's so not true, right? It makes them unique. It still makes them beautiful. It's up to us to go and see that in everyone, really witness that, and then go be that witness ourselves and share that love and light across this world. Thanks for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great rest of the school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.